Today is January 11th, 2020. Now he's going to show you some of the exercises that he does now after his hip surgery. So go ahead and tell them, LP, what your regime is.
I'm supposed to do 15 reps, but I've upped it to 30 reps. And I've been doing these 3 times a day, and it's really made a difference. And it might look stupid, but it really works. So here goes. I'm going to show you 5 of each exercise. I'm only supposed to put 50% of body weight on this leg here. So it's kind of hard to try and keep, from using the leg at 50%. So that's it.
So then you're going to show part 2 after you're done your 30 total on each one.
Right. All right, here's 12 different exercises. And some of these I can do 30, and some of them I can only do 15. It's a little strenuous. This, I feel like a dork doing this one. I told that girl that. Well, I'll just show 5 of them, and then I'll do them later on there.
Okay.
Now these are just 5-pound weights, but you'd be surprised how hard it is to do these with these 5-pound weights. That's it.
Is that it?
That's it.
All right then.
Did 12 of them. Yep.
So he does 30 of those normally 3 times a day.
But there's a few of these. If I get 15, I'm really doing good. So I'll just go for the 15, and the other ones that I can do 30, I'll do 30.
Way to do it.
That's it.
He
And
starts his physical therapy next week.
It's starting to build up the arms. It's amazing if you can stick with it. I've been pretty faithful on doing these every day, 3 times a day.
You're doing good.